This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller on over to your phone, whether it's Android or iPhone. It's very easy. So if our controller is turned on, we want to hold down the PlayStation button right here and we'll manually turn off the controller. And we need this turned off so we can put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So the light bar will turn off now. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Then locate settings on your phone. So let's go to settings here. And scroll on down until you see Bluetooth. Now if you're on the Android, there should be like a scan button on the top. Just press that. On the Apple phone, we just have other devices and it will show up under here. So now hold down the share button and the PlayStation button, and this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So the light bar will begin to flash here and it's in the sync mode. And if we go on over to our iPhone now, we can see under other devices, DualShock 4. Let's press this. And something might pop up where we have to pair it. Just press OK. And then we can go to the I under DualShock wireless controller. And we can disconnect the device. That will turn it off manually here. And if we forget the device, that will disconnect it completely from the iPhone. So it's no longer paired and connected to it. Now if we want to turn off the controller, we simply have to press the PlayStation button once again. And if we want to reconnect it in the future, it's very easy. All we have to do is press the PlayStation button and we'll pair back up to our iPhone. So it's not connected now. You can see it says forget this device. If we press this, it's going to connect back up to my phone very easily. And now we have two options under here once again. So very easy. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.